Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Appst Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can buy Bitcoin on Trust Wallet's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To buy Bitcoin on Trust Wallet, firstly go ahead and launch open your Trust Wallet application. The homepage of Trust Wallet application will appear on the screen. Click on Buy option. Now to buy Bitcoin, select the BTC or Bitcoin option from the list displayed on the screen, or else you can also search for the Bitcoin from the search box. On the next page, enter an amount to buy Bitcoin and tap on Buy with Credit Card. Select your payment method, enter your card details, pay for your Bitcoin, and that's how you will be able to buy Bitcoin on Trust Wallet quickly and easily, just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.